In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem Bank of America cash rewards as a deposit or statement credit. First, sign in to Bank of America through online banking or the mobile app. Make sure you're using a secure connection and that your app is up to date so everything loads smoothly. Once you're logged in, look for the section labeled Rewards and Deals. On the app, you'll usually find it from the main dashboard or under your card details. On desktop, it's often on your account overview page or within your credit cards menu. This is the hub where Bank of America shows your cashback balance, current offers, and the tools to redeem. Next, choose your cash rewards credit card. If you have multiple cards, double check you're opening the one that earns cash rewards, since redemptions apply to the specific card's cashback balance. After selecting the card, tap Redeem Rewards. You'll see your available cashback amount displayed here, along with options for how to use it. Now, decide how you want to redeem. You have two choices. If you select deposit to a checking or savings account, the cashback will be transferred to an eligible Bank of America account you own. This is great if you'd prefer the money as spendable cash or want to move it straight into savings. If you choose to apply it as a statement credit, it will reduce your credit card balance. This can help lower what you owe on your next bill and may be the simplest option if you're focused on paying down purchases. Before finalizing, review the details carefully. Confirm the destination, whether it's your checking or savings account or a statement credit to this card, and verify the amount shown. If you're prompted to agree to terms, read them and then confirm the redemption. You should receive an on-screen confirmation and in many cases an email alert. Posting times can vary. Statement credits often appear quickly, while deposits may take a short processing window to show up in your account. A few helpful notes as you go: you can redeem any time, and there's no minimum amount required for a one-time redemption. If you're interested in setting up automatic redemptions, be aware that those typically require at least $25 to trigger. Also, if you don't see rewards and deals right away, open your card account details and look for the rewards link there. That's it. You've redeemed your cash rewards smoothly and on your terms. If you found this helpful, follow along for more clear step-by-step banking guides.